Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I will talk about how you can use Fiverr to make a lot of money, at least $1,000, $2,000 per month. And if you're in school or whatever, that money is it's a lot, right? So how you can earn a lot of money using Fiverr and using a simple little trick that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you're already making lo-fi beats, if you're already making beats that are in chill style, right? And if you're not making that much, I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. It's very, very simple. All right, in this video. So just make sure you watch it till the end. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you I'm on Fiverr right now, and on Fiverr we have a ton of these gigs that are going to be, I will do 10 original lo-fi beats, for example, this one, right? So this one right here, it's a gig in which someone is selling 10 original lo-fi beats, right? So now lo-fi beats are not really that hard to make, okay? They're very simple. There are going to be the only thing you need is a simple beat and a simple sample, right? Simple sample, a very sort of like a piano sample, and something that can sound very chill. And you don't have to make these samples yourself. You can go into a website known as Looperman, and on Looperman you can download free samples, free loops that are going to be free to use and free to sell actually. All right, so they're going to be, you can use them commercially, but the only thing you're going to be doing is you have to sort of post a link to where you use your use the sample. So you can just go ahead and put the link. If you put it on YouTube, if you don't put it on YouTube, you can go ahead and use this loop, use this website to gain a lot of loops, and then just chop them, change them a little bit, because sometimes what happens is these loops are gonna get copyright claims. So you want to make sure you sort of chop them and maybe stretch them, change their times, which I'm going to be showing you in FL Studio in this video. So you can go ahead and go to loops and sample, and hold on. Right, so you can go to loops and samples and just go ahead and go to all categories and select any sort of thing that you need here. So I'm going to select acoustic guitar and just hit enter. Then it's going to show me acoustic guitar loops. So I can see here if I can use them commercially or not, and as we can see, it does say that we can use them commercially. And if we use them, these guys actually just don't actually ask for anything else, because these loops are free, given for free on this website. We can sort of use them and change them a little bit. Okay, so you can read the terms and condition if you're actually if you actually have some of the questions. But as far as I know, you can actually use these loops in your projects, and then you can just sell those beats to other for like a vlog music. You can sell them to someone who's doing this chill music compilation, right? So you can read these this terms and condition here, and as far as I know, you can go ahead and use these loops without any problem. And you can go ahead and run these lo-fi gigs. You can run one gig. So for example, this gig here, I will send 25 original lo-fi type beat, and this person is actually just asking $25, right, for 25 beats. So that's $1 per beat. Now you may say, okay, cool, that's actually very, very, very cheap, and I would agree. Yeah, that's quite cheap. But here's the thing: it doesn't take that long to make these beats. So it's not going to be very, very, I would say, over the roof thing. You can make them very fast, for example, and the faster you're going to make, the lower prices that you're going to have, the more success you're going to have. And then once you start to sort of build a momentum, you can sort of increase a little bit of your pricing. All right, and just make sure you also put in your description that you have used the royalty-free samples, right? Don't just put everything as I didn't use samples, but you have to put I have used samples, but they're going to be royalty-free, so you're not going to get any copyright claims. Okay, so that's what you need to show. And here I have made a full beat from a loop. Okay, all right, so that's the beat. Now I changed the loop quite a lot because the loop was very slow, very slow, right? So I fastened the loop, and now it sounds quite different from how it actually was. And if I can find that loop, let me see. Right, so this is the loop right here, and I changed that, and I changed the loop to this. Okay, and the only thing that I applied here is going to be RC retro color. Now if you don't have this, you can still sort of go ahead and use a limit. Sorry, not a limiter. You can use the EQ to turn down higher frequencies, and then you can also use the filter here to go ahead and you can use filter to sort of change the put a high pass, put a low pass here in the transition areas, right? So even if you don't have RC retro color, you can still get away with it, right? So it's only going to be the distortion and EQ. That's all. It's going to be the 90% of the things. Noise, you can add your own noise. You can go ahead and search on YouTube vinyl noise, right? And then just add vinyl noise throughout the track, and you don't have to pay for it. Okay, so here's how I made this song here, and here's how you can sort of go ahead and sell these beats on Fiverr for not very not expensive beats. For $10, for example, one beat for $5, one beat for $10. If you go for $5, a lot of people are going to come to your gig, and you're going to get a lot of traction. So once you gain a lot of traction, let's just say you make 10 sales every single day. So that's you're making 10 beats every single day. That's going to be $50 for $5 each, and that's going to be around $1,500 every single month. So that's extra, right? So it doesn't take that much. You can increase the price if you want, but I would say just go ahead and start producing these lo-fi beats. It's very lucrative. It's very helpful. All you need to do is just produce more content. I would say just go ahead and do the bulk thing. I will do 10 original lo-fi beats. So just do 10 original lo-fi beats, 20 original, 30, right? As many as you can for a bigger price. That's going to be very helpful, because a lot of these channels on YouTube, they put a compilation of lo-fi beats. So they actually need a lot of lo-fi beats. They actually need beats that are not going to be copyrighted. So you need to come handy here, and you need to fill that gap here, since there is a gap. And now you can go ahead and sort of make these type beats and earn a side income here through this way. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I will keep on doing more videos like these, and I will make another Fiverr video next time. I'm going to be showing you more about Fiverr here, and there's a ton of potential on Fiverr that a lot of people are not paying attention to, because I think Fiverr is a great place to actually make a lot of money. So I'm going to be showing you next time I'm gonna be actually showing you more and more things as we progress. But yeah, guys, like I said, subscribe, like this video, comment what you have in mind, and I'll see you next time.